What country did you go to? You can tell.
Yeah.
In England. Had it done in England, fantastic. But what I can see is there is some distortion, there's some discoloration. I think there's some damage in the nail. Just gonna cut this. So what you can see is it's a bit of lifting. It's hard to cut because it's like acrylic. Bear with me. 1, 2, 3. But to me, everything's easy to cut. Oh, okay. That went over there. Okay. You okay? Yeah. There's a lot of debris here. Come on. Okay, that will help when we apply the treatment to help grow a healthier looking nail. This is also infected too. You just didn't know about it? So we'll just do the other ones. That's all.